Due to subsidy removal and fuel price hike, the Nigerian Labour Congress declares nationwide strike over increment in petrol. Good morning and welcome to Political Views on Ebeonadi 103.5 FM. I am Martin Ifeanyichukwu, Ekezie. The nationwide strike over increment in petrol price will happen like on Wednesday. The president of the NLC, Mr. Joe Ajaero, said that the policy is not people-oriented. He is also, revolting over the decision of the president, Ahmed Tinubu, to embark on this subsidy removal without consultation. Meanwhile, the president has announced the appointment of Femi Gbajabiamila as chief of staff, George Akume, former governor of Benue State, as SGF, and Senator Hadijaya as DCOS. Tinubu made the announcement, and then at the State House, during his meeting with the APC governors, and he asked the governors to go on soul session and then review minimum wage. Then, meanwhile, former governor of Rivers State, Nyesom Wike, praised the appointment of Bajabiamila, saying that the president understands the value of the legislator or legislation, as an arm of government. Femi Falana, lawyer of the NLC, said that it is illegal for NMPCL, which is a limited liability company now, to declare the price of PMS. He said it is illegal for NMPCL to announce the increment of the petrol industry of petrol in the industry, in the petroleum industry. A lot is happening in our political space this morning, so let's bring you up to speed with the political news, the headlines. The headlines: Tribunal admits exhibits from 6 more states against Tinubu's election. Subsidy removal. NLC commences strike Wednesday. EFCC grills ex-Women Affairs Minister Tallien over 2 billion naira fraud. Makinde, Wike, Ibori okays Tinubu's position of fuel subsidy. Minimum wage needs review to reflect realities, Tinubu admits. Soludo to ban sand mining. Coalition urges Tinubu to release Kano, declare state of emergency. Ono faults Southeast leaders for Kano's continuous stay in detention. Court fined police 100 million naira for killing Free Zazaki protester. INEC explains rejection of Obi's document. Court adjourns APM's petition. Now, details.